A day after the Election Commission served a notice to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha and the DMK President M. Karunanidhi stating that the election manifestos of both the parties do not substantially fulfill the poll panel guidelines, India Today has spoken to Rajesh Lakhoni, the Chief Electoral Officer of Tamil Nadu. Well, he has said that if the parties don't give a valid explanation to the show cause notices, three things can be done. Firstly, let's take you through the pointers. Postpone the elections at the constituencies where the leaders are contesting. Secondly, they can also postpone the entire elections. That could be a huge setback to both the big political parties. Or thirdly, possibly the most drastic is cancelling election without giving a date. With more details, joining me from Chennai is India Today's Pramod Madhav. Pramod, what are the provisions that the AIADMK and the DMK have violated that caused the Election Commission to send them a show cause notice?
As such, the two parties have not violated any provisions, but what they have done is that they have promised a certain amount of freebies. For instance, DMK says that they will provide laptops and tablets with 3G and 4G connections to students, and they will also waive off student loans. They cannot do that without the central government or the bank's permission. When it comes to ADMK, they have given so many promises, which include 100% free, 100 units of free power, 50% of incentive for women who wants to buy scooters or two-wheelers, which the government itself will pay. Also, a certain amount of discount for women who want to buy automotives, and along with that, free cell phone for each ration card holder. Now, the Election Commission has raised a question as how they are going to make this possible. Based on an observation by Supreme Court in 2013, which states that if a party announces a certain kind of promise in its manifesto during an election, they should also provide an appropriate explanation as to how they are going to make it possible. Now,
yes,
that has brought the question here with the Election Commission slapping a notice on these two parties, especially their leaders DMK and Jayalalitha, and they have to provide an explanation by today 5 p.m.
All right. Also, Pramod, what are the possible actions that the Election Commission now could take if they are not satisfied by the answers presented by the two big parties?
We spoke to Rajesh Lakhoni in the morning, and we found out that there are so many various levels the Election Commission can punish the parties for promising such things, and if they are not able to provide a proper explanation. Well, as of now, he says that they can do two things to escape from this situation. Either they can annul the promises, or they have to give a proper explanation, or else there are various degrees of punishments they can go under, of which I would give you three certain explanation of what they can do. First thing is that they can postpone the election at the constituencies where these party leaders are contesting, or else they can entirely postpone the election for the state, which will also cause a lot of commotion, and their parties have to once again prepare themselves for the election. Or the Election Commission can certainly cancel the election, stating that free and fair election is not possible with such kind of promises provided to the people. Thereby, the people are being given a false promise. These are the three things the Election Commission can certainly do, and the third one seems to be a little far-fetched, but still it is very much possible for the Election Commission to entirely cancel the election without giving a future date.
All right, 5 p.m. is the time where my colleague Pramod Madhav was saying that both the big political parties of Tamil Nadu, the AIADMK and the DMK, have time to reply to the show cause notice that have been issued by the Election Commission. Many thanks, Pramod, for joining us.